Hey DIYers, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark we are making a beautiful ornament centerpiece using those inexpensive shatterproof ornaments that you can find almost anywhere. And we are putting them together with E6000 Plus. Now this is the only industrial glue that I've ever used that does not corrode plastic, so it's perfect for a project like this. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. And you know how much I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some ornament towers. Hans Greiner started making glass ball ornaments called baubles during the 1800s, which became the first manufactured Christmas ornaments ever. The first glue ever is thought to be tar extracted from birch bark, and it's believed that Neanderthals produced the first glue as early as 200,000 years ago. Guess it stuck around. I've used tons of industrial glues in my time, and E6000 Plus is the only glue that doesn't corrode plastic, so it's perfect for things like gluing on plastic gems and for gluing these plastic shatterproof ornaments together. I would be so grateful if you would take a second and thumbs up this video and leave me a comment, even if it's just to say hello, because you know I love it when you say hello. I'm going to leave a link to E6000 and E6000 Plus and everything I used for this video in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this project, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I will see you next week. Happy holidays!